Hello and welcome guys. In today's video we are going to install the shocks and see what else we can do with this project. And the shocks, I had removed this from the other bike which I was having, so they are both different in sizes. So these are from the same bike, the same model, but the difference is between the working and even in the mounting. So they are in the mounting, they are just 5 milli difference. So 5 milli difference in the mounting. But still I'm going to continue. I'm going to use the bigger one, which is 5 milli bigger. So to mount both the shocks and hold the body on the both shocks, so that when I get which one, I don't know which one I'll get, this one or this one. So which I'll get, I'll change the one. The next thing is the steering wheel and the counter shaft. They both are very important. But the main reason I cannot just go ahead and mount this thing is the lathe machine. The lathe machine I don't have with me. So I'm trying to get one, but when I check in the market, they are very expensive. So I cannot afford any of the lathe machine. Maybe later on I'll see and I'll get one, or made in home or homemade. I don't know. I'll see later on. But for this counter shaft and the steering wheel, I have to go for the lathe work, and the lathe work will cost me like I don't know how much. So we'll just see that later on. So now I'm going to mount the shocks and we can continue with the other stuffs. Like there are many stuffs still remaining. Alright guys, they are working. So they are hard, I need it to be hard, that's what. So they are hard but they are working. So these are the shocks are done. Now it's time for me to build up the steering wheel and see what's up. Alright guys, so I made something like this. This is bolted down over here. I'll just show you later on the video. Like there are two bearings over here, and the pin is going, I have welded over here. So this much the pin is inside of this pipe, this much. So it's welded over here making holes. So I made a holes over here to get 6 holes and welded inside, and even welded over here. So all thing is welded up. So I need to cut and bring this in shape, but I'll do that later on. Alright guys, so to mount this over here means I have to do some changes. So for doing that changes, I need to get this engine outside, and so that there won't be any weight over here, so that I can just readjust all the things and place back the engine. So let's just move the engine out and see how this thing will fit over here.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Alright guys, so you will be wondering that what I'm doing over here. The main thing what I'm doing over here is to remove this pen, cut it from here and move it to the rear pipe, because of the steering assembly is going to come over here. That's what. So I need to move this out of my way so that I could just figure out the steering in a clear manner, because this thing is not going to let me do that. So that's what. So I've built it over a tube box over here, just in case, so that this won't go inside or not go anywhere, because I'm cutting this thing and building and everything, so it changes its place. So if it changes the place, means the engine mount is going to be a problem for me, so that's what I don't want this to be changing the place. So let's just cut this thing out and move it to the rear pipe over here. Just be careful with the blade.